welcome to Storytime. I'm Miss Lori at the Rolla Public Library, and today I'd like to introduce you my friend Pickle the Pigs.
Hello everybody!
Pickles is going to be reading Storytime with us today. The book that we're going to be reading today is The Three Little Pigs by Paul Glandon. Are you guys ready? Are you ready, Pickles?
Sure!
Let's get started. The Three Little Pigs. Once upon a time, there was an old sow with 3 little pigs. She had no money to keep them, so she sent them off to seek their fortune. The first pig met a man with a bundle of straw and said to him, "Please, man, give me the straw to build me a house." So the man did, and the little pig built his house with it. Along came a wolf. He knocked on the door and said, little pig, let me come in." "No, no," said the pig, "not by the hair of my chinny chin chin." "Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in," said the little wolf. So the wolf huffed and he puffed and he blew the house in, and he ate the first little pig up. My goodness, could you imagine being eaten by a wolf? The second little pig met a man with a bundle of sticks and said, "Please, man, give me those sticks to build me a house." So the man did, and the little pig built his house with them. Then along came the wolf and said, little pig, let me come in." "No, no, not by the hair of the chinny chin chin." "Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in," said the wolf. What do you guys think? Do you think he could blow the house in? I don't know. What about you, Pickles? You think he could blow the house in?
I do!
Let's see and find out. So he huffed and he puffed and he huffed and he puffed, and at last he blew the house in and ate up the little pig. The third little pig met a man with a load of bricks and said, "Please, man, give me those bricks to build my house." So the man did, and the little pig built his house with them. Soon the wolf came along and said, little pig, let me come in." "No, no, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin." "Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house in," said the wolf. Well, he huffed and he puffed and he huffed and he puffed and he huffed and he puffed, but he couldn't blow the house in. So do you think the house with bricks is stronger, everyone? I do too. What about you, Pickles?
Definitely!
At last, the wolf stopped, huffing and puffing, and said, little pig, I know where there is a nice field of turnips." "Where?" said the little pig. "On Miss Smith's farm," said the wolf. "I will come for you tomorrow morning. We will go together and get some turnips for dinner." Do you guys like turnips? I'm not sure if I do. What about you, Pickles? Do you like turnips?
Yummy!
Pickles likes them. They must be good. "Very well," said little pig. "What time will you come?" "Oh, at 6 o'clock," said the wolf. Well, the little pig got up at 5. He went to Miss Smith's farm and got the turnips before the wolf came to his house. "Little pig, are you ready?" said the wolf. Little pig said, "Ready? I've been and come back again. I got a nice pot full of turnips for my dinner." The wolf was very angry, but he thought of another way to get the little pig. So he said, "Little pig, I know where there is a nice apple tree." "Where?" said the little pig. "Down at the Merry Garden," replied the wolf. "I will come with you at 5 o'clock tomorrow morning, and we will get some apples." Apples are delicious. Do you guys like apples? I love apples. What about you, Pickles?
Not so much.
Not so much. You might want to try them again sometime. So, well, the little pig got up the next morning at 4 o'clock and went off for the apples. He wanted to get back home before the wolf came, but it was a long ways to Mary's garden, and then he had to climb the tree. Just as he was climbing back down with his basket full of apples, he saw the wolf coming. "Little pig," the wolf said, you got here before me. Are those apples nice?" "Yes, very," said the little pig. "I will throw one down to you." And he threw the apples as fast as he could throw. While the wolf ran to pick them up, the little pig jumped over and ran home. The next day the wolf came and said to the little pig, "Little pig, this is a fair at Shanklin this afternoon. Would you like to go?" "Oh yes," said the little pig. "When will you come and get me?" "At 3," said the wolf. Well, the little pig went off at 2 and bought a butter quern at the fair. He was going home with it when he saw the wolf coming. The little pig jumped into the butter quern to hide. The quern fell over and rolled down the hill with the little pig in it. This frightened the wolf so much that he turned and ran home. Later, the wolf went to the little pig's house and told him what had happened. "A great round thing came rolling down the hill right at me," said the wolf. "Ah, it frightened you then," said the pig. "I went to the fair and bought the butter churn when I saw you. I got into it and rolled down the hill." The wolf was very angry indeed. "I'm going to climb down your chimney and eat you up," he said, when the little pig heard the wolf on the roof. He hung a pot full of water in the fireplace. Then he built a blazing fire just as the wolf was coming down the chimney. The little pig took the cover off the pot and in fell the wolf. The little pig quickly ran over the cupboard again, boiled up the wolf, and ate him for supper. And the little pig lived happily ever after. So what'd you guys think? Did you like that story? What was your favorite part? That was mine too. What about you, Pickles? What was your favorite part?
The yummy turnips.
The yummy turnips. Pickle must love turnips. Are you guys ready to do your craft? Head to your craft table and get ready. We're gonna make a pig's nose today. See from the side, and you can oink oink all around your house. You're just gonna need a toilet paper roll and some construction papers. I did print out a list of constructions that's gonna be in your grab bags, and I also have a coloring sheet here for you guys to do, so have fun!